Well, good morning. Happy Sunday. It's supposed to be the day of rest, but I'm gonna have to work. Just finished church. I took my scooter down here to the beach. I gotta try to get some listings done. I'm behind. I did some A/B testing with John yesterday, so I'm about a day behind. Hopefully we can get them all prepped, my listings all prepped for the whole week. So we'll see. 7 days. That's quite a, just under 200. Whew, Sunday. I'm just finishing church. Took my scooter. Now I'm going to do some listing. It's been a challenging week. I had did some deep cleaning in the home. Hello, thank you. And I had a vacuumed, and I used this like weed blower in the house just to like get the stuff the vacuum didn't grab. And I don't know what happened. I slipped on my pillow and I immediately started sneezing. The first night my cat didn't sleep in the whole trailer, and I was like, oh, I started sneezing, my eyes started burning. It was like I kicked up the dust, and oh, I paid the price. All day yesterday the ears were popping, and I thought I was like getting sick, but no. When I start feeling bad, I'll shut it down and just rest as much as I can. So I hung out with John yesterday. I got a 2-hour nap on his couch. Then when I got home, I was just feeling like crud. So I went to bed around 4 p.m. yesterday and woke up at 7 a.m. in the morning. So I feel better. It's definitely whatever it was. I think it was, good morning, allergies. It really kicked my butt. Thank you. Have a good day. I just rather let them know I'm coming because it's like a quiet, so you don't really hear it. So I'm gonna work. I gotta get some listings done. I feel bad for everybody that's dealing with that weather. My property in Arkansas has a foot of snow right now, and it's converting to ice. Good morning. And now the next stage of the storm's coming, and it's all cold, which that foot of snow is now all going to be covered with ice. I've never seen my property with snow on it, so I'm looking forward to getting the security cams up and get this. I have a shed on the property, and I'll have to set up some sort of, I want to know what's going on the property, so it keeps me aware. And there's so much better technology with the security, and it's cheaper. I could check out the deers when they're on the property. I could check out when people are on it or they're hunting. I just want to know what's going on. Good morning. I want to make sure it'll keep me motivated to focus on the goal, and that's pretty important. The last thing I want to do is get stuck here with a $3,500 a month rent and not have the ability to leave because I have to keep covering the rent, So it's not $3,500 now, but I bet you 10 years it'll be pushing. It just keeps going up, and even though I live in an old trailer, it's a mile away from the ocean. So, all right, well, let me cut in and start doing some work. Show you, I'm going to process some military patches here. I'm going to take some photos of them. Hopefully that the tool's ready and I can list those today and get them prepped for the week. And I thank you for liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate the return viewers. You have a great day. I appreciate all their viewers. All right. Okay, I am ready to take some photos. My M22. There are a bunch of military patches. I have 25 in each packet, or they have all Velcro back, so yeah, so self-fastening. They don't allow us to use Velcro, and some of them don't have names, so I'll have to do Google Lens. The ones that have names, they'll know. I'm so far behind on taking photos. The idea would be to process and separate and sort all your inventory, so you're able to take photos all at once. Especially using a AI tool, you want to have all your photos in different folders based on your tote where you store them. And I've been struggling with that. It's a part of the routine where sitting for a day just doing photos are tough, you know. And hopefully we'll get into a routine where so basically I'll take 2 photos and then I'll turn it around and make sure it's lined up correctly, and then you'll see the other American Red Cross, Japanese, must be it's a patch too, it's not Velcro. Alright, these are going to have to be searched Google Lens so I can get the right name for them. Fighter Squad, Velcro back, Pacific Air Force. One's 79, Desert Bulldog, Japanese again. I wonder what this makes me wonder if the previous owner was Japanese, because they're all pretty much Japanese. 136 of the squad. 4th Fighter Squad. Looks like a Japanese Fuji F-16 Panther Viper. First to fight. Freedom. That's more of a, it's more like a rocket company, defense and freedom. So these aren't military, they're mixed military. So I have to kind of be careful classifying them all as military. 14th Fighter Squadron, Attack to Defend. 35th FS, Panther Nakajima, definitely F-35A Lightning Demo Team. 25th Flying Training Squad. Alright, we're getting down to the end. This guy definitely a pilot, military pilot. All his patches are related to flying jets. Very cool. Anyway, that is one tote. Now I'll just put these away, add them to the AI tool, check the pricing, check the listing, and schedule them out. So thanks for watching. I got well, this is 25, so I have about 1,000 patches to do, and they're all different. I'll tape it. That confirms that I've done it. And bold there, boom. I'll put it in the done section, and we'll grab another one, and we'll just keep going. So thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day. Please hit that like button.